Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
As the sun dawned on 04 for 27 for 2024, the Millennium Cricket League's F40 Premier Division clash set the scene for an epic tale. The Giants, having won the toss, readied themselves to weave a narrative of dominance with willow in hand.
Agreed, Ravish. The anticipation was palpable as the Giants opted to unfold their innings on what promised to be a storyteller's wicket. The Stallions, with balls in hand, were primed for a clash that would turn into a mythic battle of runs and wickets.
Heartfelt thanks to our event advertisers for bringing this spectacle to life. How the Giants constructed their innings was like a thrilling novel, page by page, building towards a climactic ending.
Indeed, much like Diffgen Pharmaceuticals' mastery in acquisition, the Giants assembled their innings with precision and power, constructing a stronghold that the Stallions found impregnable.
The Giants' tale featured a burgeoning opening partnership that set the tone. Despite the Stallions' spirited bowling, led by Mahmood's fiery spell, the Giants amassed a formidable score. The Stallions' response was hampered by early blows, from which they never recovered, folding under pressure.
The Stallions were indeed corralled by the Giants' bowlers, who, like skilled chess players, maneuvered the board to checkmate their opponents early. The Stallions' resistance, led by Jamel, proved too little against the strategic might of the Giants.
Giants openers, Shallow and Bagchi, stitched an 89-run tapestry that was the cornerstone of the innings. Contributions from Shah and the unbeaten Ravi Shankar added to the flourishing total.
The Stallions' bowlers, especially Mahmood, displayed flashes of brilliance to stem the tide, but the Giants' batting order was the bulwark that stood tall against the onslaught.
The second act unfolded with the Stallions stumbling early, losing wickets as if in a domino effect. Only Jamel's blade sparked, but his lone stand was engulfed by the Giants' bowling storm.
Abdul and Mohit took the reins for the Giants, scything through the Stallions' lineup with clinical precision, leaving their batting hopes in tatters as they succumbed to a meager tally.
Bagchi's blitzkrieg of runs crowned him as the architect of the Giants' innings, while Mohit's three-wicket haul dismantled the Stallions' chase with lethal accuracy.
These standout performances wove the fabric of victory for the Giants. Bagchi's blade etched the foundation, and Mohit's blows provided the final nails in the Stallions' coffin.
The Giants clinched a colossal victory by 174 runs, their batting prowess setting a mountainous challenge that the Stallions could not scale.
A gulf as wide as the victory margin now lies between the two teams. For the Giants, a tale of triumph. For the Stallions, a lesson etched in defeat. Giants' dominance galore in the F40 Premier Division showdown, phrase echoing the Giants' saga of might and mastery, setting a benchmark for their adversaries.
A landmark narrative in the almanac of the F40 Premier Division, Giants etched a victory that will be recounted for seasons to come, as they stride forward, a colossus among peers.